holes on your clothing and then wonder how to get it back to normal because now it looks not good. Don't cut it or burn it. Very likely going to cause other problems and the hole to get bigger. This thing is for, like up close. You just go in from the inside, locate the snag, and with the hook open, you'll use it to go through the fabric, and then you'll open the latch a little bit, grab the little pull fabric, and then wrap it around, and then pull it through, and then massage the fabric, and good as new.